In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. Changing your theme colors is one of the fastest ways to refresh the look and feel of a deck and make every slide feel consistent. It updates titles, body text, shapes, charts, and other graphics in one pass, so you don't have to edit each item by hand. Start by opening your presentation and heading to the Design tab in the toolbar. This is home base for themes and variations. With the Design tab active, you'll see several built-in color options that come with PowerPoint. Try clicking through a few presets: blue, green, dark green, or gray. As you switch, you'll notice the colors update instantly across your slides. If you change your mind, you can always press undo, so feel free to experiment. If you want more control than those defaults, look to the right side of the Design tab and click the small drop-down arrow. Hover over colors to open the full gallery of theme color sets. As you move your cursor over each option, you'll get a live preview on your slides, which makes it easy to pick something that suits your content or matches your brand. Aim for good contrast between text and background so your content remains readable. You can select any pre-made set or create your own by clicking Customize Colors. A window opens where you can edit each theme color individually. These slots drive what you see in titles, backgrounds, accents, and hyperlinks throughout the deck. For example, if the current theme uses a dark green and you'd prefer something livelier, click that color swatch and choose a bright lime green. The color picker may look slightly different on Mac and Windows, but the process is the same. Pick the hue, confirm, and repeat for any other accents you want to change. When you're happy with your selections, give your custom theme a clear name and save it. PowerPoint applies your updated theme colors across the entire presentation in one go, keeping everything coordinated: text boxes, shapes, charts, smart art, and more. If any element doesn't update, it likely has manual formatting. Switch it to a theme color to bring it back in line. And that's how you change theme colors in PowerPoint to create a more customized, professional-looking presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.